$229,000. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom located in the beautiful beach town of Sosua. Well, I have to tell you, a lot of you have been coming to me and saying, Cerise, the prices are going up in Sosua day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, and second by second. A lot of you guys are worried because you don't know if you're going to be able to get in on the rush. And when I say rush, that's exactly what it feels like here. After things of the world changed and everybody started to get back to normal again, we started to notice that in Sosua, prices started to go up. You see, before the world changed a couple of years ago, Sosua was a buyer's market, not really a seller's market. And then all of a sudden, when the world came back to what it was, or getting back to what it was before, all the prices started to go up, and it is now a seller's market and not necessarily the buyer's market that it once was. And that's why a lot of people want to get in on the game right now, because they don't want to be stuck paying $500,000 for something that they could have bought for $400,000. 200,000, or like this apartment right here. It comes fully loaded. You don't need to do anything at all except just show up with your clothing and have a good time. Now, there's a few things that you should know about this place and what area it's in as well, because I know you're wondering that. So, it's located in Sosua, like I said. But if you know where Hispaniola is, it's located very close to that. Now, if you don't know where Hispaniola is and you're not familiar with Sosua, then let me give you a quick layout. So, Sosua itself is a municipal, but in this neighborhood, it's more known as El Bate area. And it is about a 25 minute drive to the airport. And it is awesomely convenient. Now, when I mean it is a convenient place to be living, let me tell you, it is near banks, it's near restaurants, it's near pharmacies. It is also near beaches, of course. It is close to the main beach of Playa Sosua Beach. It's about a 5-minute drive to Sosua Beach, but you can walk there in about 15-20 minutes, depending on how quickly you walk or if you just stroll. Now, the restaurants around this area, which is very close to Route 5, you can get to all types of restaurants. Now, just to even give you a little idea, there are Italian restaurants, there's some Mexican restaurants, there's a brand new Mexican little vendor right on Route 5 by Texaco gas station. And then there's also German restaurants, there are Dominican restaurants, Haitian restaurants, pubs. It is loaded with a lot of bars and places that you can go and just kick up your feet, take off your hat, and cool max and relax. There's a lot of karaoke, live bands, and even bingo. So you can go and have a great time. There's a lot of markets where you can go and get some things if you need anything for the house or even some clothes for the beach. There are a lot of people that are in this town, locals and also tourists and expats. We all live together and it's a safe location. That's one thing that a lot of you ask me, is it safe? And it 100% is safe. As a matter of fact, just down the hill from this condo is the police station right there. And not only that, an international grocery store where you can go and buy all of your products for your body, your health, your hair, and your home. And of course, there's down the street from there, you can go to secondhand store if you would like to go there. There's also a Western Union. And then there is the main street called Pedro Clasante, where you can walk from one end to the other and meet people and really get to know what the town has to offer. Now, this place here, you can buy as a retirement place. You can buy it because you want to live in it right away, use it as a timeshare, or what's very popular these days is people are buying properties to use as a passive income for an Airbnb, which is a great thing to do these days because here in the Dominican Republic, it is the #1 destination in the Caribbean. And that is right. And Sosua is one of the number one destinations on the north coast. Well, let me back up a little bit. On the whole island, actually, a lot of people love to come to Sosua because it is like living on a resort, but not, because you can walk around the streets and do your shopping and do your living and feel like you are at home. One thing that a lot of people ask me is, do you need to know the Spanish language? And absolutely not. I know a lot of people that lived here for many, many years and never ever learned anything except gracias, por favor, and de nada. And that means thank you, please, and you're welcome. And usually, a lot of people find that that is sufficient enough because you don't really need to understand Spanish or speak it to be able to live here and feel comfortable. Now, just to let you know about this wonderful area, it is in a very secluded area. Now, not so secluded where you're going to be in the woods or in the back area of some big mountain. No, but you are going to be up a nice little hill where you are going to feel the breeze in the evening time, and you're going to be able to kick your feet up by the two pools that they have. A very unique feature in any residence here in the Dominican Republic. If you are interested in buying this place, give me a shout because it's not going to last very long. You can see how gorgeous it is, and you can see at a price like that in paradise, it's only going to be something that will be an investment that you will make that will appreciate sooner than you know. Imagine coming here and just living your days out. A lot of people also ask about residency. So you're done with the country you're living in. You either work online or you're retired or you just have money like that and you're thinking to yourself that you want to relocate. But how do you do it? Well, you can definitely get residency here. Give me a shout because I can help you with that as well. Or you can do what a lot of other people do, and they come here and they just stay. But when they leave, they pay the exit overstay taxes at the airport. Yes, that's actually a thing here in the Dominican Republic. You just go to the airport, there's a sign on the wall, and it tells you if you stayed for a month, 3 months, 9 months, a year and a half, so on and so forth. There are prices. And if you're really curious about it, you can look right here, and I'm going to add it for your information, and you can see. Just put the video on pause for a moment and you'll be able to see exactly what that price is. So I do want to also say to you that the beaches that are located in Sosua are amazing as well. And there's three main ones that people go to: Playa Chiquita, Playa Alicia, and Playa Sosua. But if that's not good enough for you, then you can just go 25 minutes to Puerto Plata City and go on the Malecon, because there's one there as well, and watch the ships go in and watch them pass. You can also go in the other direction and go to Cabarete, which is another popular beach town, and it has something to offer as well. You might want to go there in the evening times because they have great nighttime discos on the beach. Guys, this is a great opportunity for you, and I'm offering it to you because I know a lot of you want to come here and live in the Dominican Republic, much like a lot of us expats. Some of you've done your research and you understand that it is a wonderful place because it is a growing community and it is a developing country. The traditions are awesome, the people are great, and not only that, you will feel welcomed and loved here. Give me a shout. I want to help you out. I want to make sure that you get settled into the Dominican Republic and you feel happy and at home. Guys, I also want to tell you that I offer tours, airport pickup and drop off, and if you're looking for an apartment to rent, I can also help you with that as well. And if you buy this place and you want to rent it out, I can help you find customers and people that will want to stay in this beautiful luxury apartment owned by you. Don't hesitate to give me a shout. I also have other places available if you're looking for just a one bedroom, a studio, or if you're even looking for a house. Just give me a shout because I am here for your convenience and for you to know what is available to you, whether it is in the mountainside, the beach side, in town, or if you want to buy something in a local area. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to hit that like button. And also, don't forget to hit me up when you're here. I love meeting with you all. And don't forget, if you have a place that you would like to sell, you can list it with me because I will take a video of it and put it up on my YouTube channel and generate some interest and try to get your place sold as soon as possible. If you are interested in advertising on my YouTube channel, give me a shout because it doesn't matter if you are selling a product or a service, if you're international, living abroad, or if you're living here, generate some sales for you and get you some clients on an international level. Additionally, if you want to come on my talk show, whether it's on my YouTube channel or my talk show that is on TV, I would love for you to come on for a guest. Yes. Everyone has a story and everyone is interesting. So don't hesitate. Just give me a shout on WhatsApp. Leave me a voice note or a text on WhatsApp and I'll get back to you within a 24-hour period. Take a look at this beautiful Playa Sosua. This is only a 5-minute drive from this wonderful showcased condo that I have on this video right here. Remember, it can be yours. Paid promotion by Wild and Crazy Leggings. 5 sizes and many styles. Why live life boring when you can have fun and dress cool? Hey, you can also order these online and have them shipped to you anywhere around the world. Crazy colors, cool styles. You can get them and you can also gift them to many friends. They're affordable and excellent quality. Check them out online. If you would like a commercial created with your product or service, let me know because I can make a commercial for you and do the voiceover. Just contact me for a quote. Thank you so much for watching and also for subscribing. It really means a lot to me and I appreciate you. Take care of yourself. Have a blessed day. Huge hugs, loads of love, and beautiful, beautiful happy trails.